Hello. Today I am going to share with you a mythological story with a very important lesson. Lord Indra, the king of gods, once got very upset, very angry with residents of a place, and in that anger, he cursed them that for next 12 years they are not going to get any rains. Now they were taken aback. They pleaded that please take your curse back, because without rain, how will we be able to survive? How will we be able to grow any crops? What will happen to us, our families? But he did not relent. Their pleading continued, and finally Lord Indra said, okay, you will get rains only when Lord Shiva plays his Damru. And simultaneously, Lord Indra reached out to Lord Shiva saying that you will get a request to play your Damru, but please don't play your Damru for the next 12 years. Lord Shiva very easily agreed to Lord Indra's request without making further inquiry. When this request came, when all these residents, all these farmers came to Lord Shiva to play his Damru, he said no. Damru will be played only after 12 years. So they had to come back. When they came back, there was one particular farmer who kept on going to his field every single day and do all possible activities which he could do, like sowing the seeds and de-weeding and all that was possible in the absence of water and rains. Whatever he could do, he continued to do as if he is growing a crop. Now he became a point of ridicule in the entire town, entire village. And they were constantly questioning him. When there's not going to be any rain for 12 years, why are you wasting your time and energy? Why are you doing all this? His simple reply was, agreed that there will not be any rain for 12 years, but imagine a situation that after 12 years, when it rains, will I be able to have all the skills which are required to grow a crop? Will I have enough energy in my body without any practice for the last 12 years? Will I have that energy inside me to actually grow a crop? That is why I'm continuing my practice. Whatever happens, that's okay. Now, this conversation was being listened to by Parvati, the wife of Lord Shiva, and said to Lord Shiva, God, Lord Shiva, what if you are not able to play your Damru after 12 years because you have not practiced playing it for 12 years? What will happen? Imagine that situation. Lord Shiva got a little scared and he immediately picked up his Damru and started playing, checking whether he can still play it or not. And the moment the Damru was played, there was rain. And guess what? Who was able to grow his crop instantly, almost instantly? The only farmer who was continuing to practice. Now, this is where the story ends, but the question is, what is the lesson that we are deriving from it? Are we continuing to practice in spite of any challenge that we face? Imagine a current scenario. The times are really tough, but are we continuing to practice living as if our life is still there? Are we continuing to stay connected with people in spite of not being able to meet physically? Are we continuing to invest in our knowledge, in our skills, in our learning, because they will come in handy when situations improve over a period of time? So what is important at any given point of time is, are you playing your part? Are you doing your own role or not? Because if you withdraw from the scene, if you come down from the stage, your play is already over, your dance is already over. So you need to continue to practice on the dance floor, because when will the audience come and start applauding for you? You never know. I wish you all the great practice in these times, and I wish you all the best. Stay safe, stay healthy. I'll meet you in my next video.